Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox Hot Wheels. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product Hot Wheels Time Attaxi. This is actually a 1:64 die-cast scale model of the Toyota Crown Comfort. This is the taxi version popular in Japan. This custom toy is fantasy model modified by Hot Wheels. This Hot Wheels comes with insane detailing. Just look at this decal of Beach Taxi, Hot Wheels, Campbell, 24/7, this racing stripes. Also it comes with hot red alloys that give it a sporty look. It also has rear fender and rear spoilers, making it look so unique. You can see a large engine intake. Guys, this Hot Wheels has an openable door. Yes, we opened it. We can see the rear seat and the interior very well detailed. And we have to press it to close the door. Like, share and comment on my video. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.